Okay, let's now unbox and set up the Sportlink iPhone Pro Max waterproof case. You can see there's a bit more about the case there, about what it can do. So it's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and also snowproof, which I think is really, really good. Let's have a look there, and there's a bit more about the features on it just there at the bottom. So let's pop it open and have a look. Now, it's important to have a waterproof case. I do a lot of kayaking on the boat, and I could possibly drop my phone, so it's important that I have this there. So you can see there's the front case, there's the cleaning cloth, there's the setup instructions, and there's the actual case itself. Now, let's go and put it into the phone and see how it works. Now, we've already done the test to see if this is waterproof. Put the case under water, it didn't actually harm it at all, so it worked quite well. Let's actually go and put the phone in it. So you're going to go put it in the case there first, the top case. Seal it in there. Got to make sure you apply it down properly too to make sure it sits very, very nice. So get the back case now. Now you need to put the back case on and actually clip it in. So clipping in to make sure that the case is secure, because the last thing you want to do is have little bits of it open that water get through. So you can see, press it all down, secure it out. Got to make sure you push all the air out of it as well, because you don't want the air sitting in there. So make sure it all comes in nice. So you can see it clicking in there, clip it in there. Go over it a couple of times too, just to make sure. Now I like how this sits really flush with the case as well. It's a really nice even fit to it, which is good. And put it on there. Now, the case also feels quite nice. You can see how it'll be available to be drop proof. You've got the rubberized edges, which really helps to reduce the impact when it drops. Now that little flap there as well, you need to make sure that's down too, because that's going to stop any water from getting into it, just there. Again, final touch-ups, making sure it's all on there correctly. And look at that, it's coming nice. And just put that down there to make sure it sits nice and flush, which it is. So there we go. So there's the phone case there. All nice. Give it a nice right with the cloth. And there you go, guys. You have your own shockproof, waterproof iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Let's now test out the iPhone Pro Max Sportlink waterproof case in water. So we're going to go and look at the case. So make sure it's all sealed up there. It's been clicked in correctly. Put it into the water. Now, say test that for half an hour. Let's pop the case in there. Let it sit there for a while and come back in half an hour. Then when we come back, we want to make sure that we've got no water on the inside of the case. It's very important. So we've done it there. We've waited. Now let's go and have a look at if the cases actually work. So take it out. You've got to wipe the outside of the case, obviously, so you can make sure the water's off there. We've done it now. Let's open up the case and have a look. Now, this should have no water inside there. As you can see, look, there's no water on the inside of the case. None there at all. Hasn't that worked out perfectly? None on that side either. So there you go. Make sure we got from the other side. There you go. So completely waterproof case. Works really well.